This is Shaista from Express Fairway Freight. Today we will discuss about company registration in Dubai Municipality. Traders and other commercial company who are importing food, cosmetics, detergent, chemical and product related to health or environmentals need to register their company in Dubai Municipality for clearance of their goods. The requirements are very simple. Company must hold a commercial or trading license issued by authorities. Required documents for company registration in Dubai Municipality are valid company license, owner passport copy, visa page copy, Emirates ID copy, PO box number, office location details, and telephone and fax number. By fulfilling these requirements, you can register your company in Dubai Municipality. But doing all these procedure is not a cup of tea for everyone. We at Express Fairway Freight experience and provide hassle-free service to you. If you have any kind of questions, please feel free to contact with us. I will leave our contact details in the description box. Thank you.